Hey guys, it's Maria. Sorry you can't see my. Here I am. Sorry you couldn't see my face. Anyway, I don't have anybody to help me hold the cameras, but I was about to make my kids some smoothies, strawberry smoothies. The bananas aren't yellow enough yet. But I had to show you this trick, and it actually works. So it's just taking the middle out of a strawberry, and usually you have to like cut the top off and then like try to get the hard part out of the top or whatever. This actually, okay, so all you need is a regular old straw. A bendy one probably wouldn't be good. Use the other end. Regular old strawberry with the top still on it and everything. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna press it at the bottom of the strawberry and just push it up. See that? It just comes right out. And then you have like this leftover part, but then look, you can do it again. It's super easy to just kind of get that yuck out. See? I'll do another one for you. Let's see. Okay, so here's another one. You want to make sure it's centered. Voila, voila. And it's so much easier because then you can actually use the whole strawberry instead of like tossing half of it away. You know what I mean? You don't want to waste any of it. I don't. And even if you want your kids to help you do this, it's so easy. They can do it too. See?
Can we do it?
No, you can't do it. All right, guys. See you later.